like flowers, then fade with the rain. But friendship is a river that remembers your name. We walk through years together, through sunshine and through storms. When life became a winter, your friendship kept me warm. Love can be a shooting star, bright but passing by. A true friend is the morning sun, still there when shadows hide. So let the choir sing, let our hands clap loud, for the friends who stood beside us when we lost our way somehow. Love may write a chapter, but true friends turn the page. Through every changing season, their hearts remain the same. We carry years like old photographs, with laughter in each frame. The road may bend and time may pass, but friendship stays the same. Like an old and faithful tree, giving shade beneath the sky. A true friend asks for nothing, just to stand there by your side. So let the choir sing, let our hands clap loud, for the friends who stood beside us when we lost our way somehow. Through the years, we remain. When silver lines our hair and our footsteps become slow, we will smile at all the memories only true friends know. Let the choir sing,